In this video, I'm going to build a keyboard. Not just any keyboard, a silent keyboard. My teenage son loves gaming, and he thought it was really neat that there were silent keyboards. So we're going to make him a silent keyboard. And not only is it a silent keyboard, but it's going to be a Lucario keyboard. He also has really been wanting to collect the Lucario Pokemon cards, and he wants a collection of those. So I'm going to make him a Lucario keyboard. I have printed some keycaps. Let me show you. I've printed Lucario. I actually have 2 Lucarios. I printed them with the 3D printer. I just need to paint them. And a Pokeball, which also needs to be painted. With this one, what I did is made it stretch 2 switch places. So we're going to put these on the function keys at the top. My son never uses them, and I figured Lucario would love them. So that's where Lucario is going to live. And let me show you this. Let me show you this keyboard. This is how it came. Now, granted, this was an Amazon warehouse deal, but it's supposed to be used like new. And this box was telling me that it was not. It came with nothing inside. It was not wrapped in this. None of the... Oh, wait. Okay, it's got a keycap puller. But that's it. Now, when it arrived, I did go ahead and fix this, but it was missing several of the keys through here and in here, and they were loose in the box. Some of the switches were out as well, so I had to get those, put them back in, and put the keycaps in, but I can't find that keycap or the switch. And after all that, I went, put the stuff back in it, plugged it in, and it does work. It's a decent looking keyboard on its own. It has the little screen here, and it works. The knob. Let's see what it sounds like. Lucario is blue, gold, and black, so I got blue, gold, and black keycaps. I have these in the alpha keys, and these are the silent linears. And then in the outside keys, I have the tactile silent switches, but I did not have enough, and that's fine because these keys are never going to be used. I have painted Lucario and the Pokeball. So now all I have to do is put the keycaps on.